Hey guys, this is Sascha here. Welcome back to our channel Dream Trust. Today we're going to be showing you how to do this really simple first date look for men. And we're going to be using these two palettes right here. Makeup Freak Gala and Freedom palette. This is a super easy look. It's just like if you want to impress the girl on your first date. It's nothing too hard or doesn't look too bad. It's really natural. And Yuliya is going to be helping me out today. She's going to be doing half of my face and showing me how to do it. And I'm just going to copy it onto the other half. Just to show how easy it is and how simple it is. Any guy can do it, really. We're just using our fingers, no tools needed. So yeah, stick around and I hope you guys have a good time. So first we're going to start with moisturizer. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Get a clean finger, move it, just dab it on. So next we're going to be using foundation just to cover up all our blemishes on the face. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. We're just gonna do the same thing we did with the moisturizer. We're just gonna take a little bit with our fingers, dab it on. Make sure you give it a good rub in. Rub it in. Every spot. There's no weird spots on your face. Next, we're gonna just put some wax on our eyebrows just to help it shape up better. Now it's my turn. Get a brush. Some. We're going to be using this Makeup Freak Gala palette. We're going to be using this kind of brown color right here. I'm just gonna get some right here. Clean fingers. So now we're just gonna use the same palette. And you're gonna use that white color right here on top, just like all over the eyes. Get another finger. Some light. Now we're gonna be using this darker brown just for the under eyelid. I'm gonna get this brown and a little dab. I'm gonna go from this side and just go over. Now we're just gonna be mixing this one and this one just on the upper eyelid on the crease just to make it a bit darker.
Here it's your bone, and actually you need to apply here. So little by little, just like tap tap tap. You feel your bone?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna use this one and this brown. We're just gonna mix it a little bit, get the crease of the eyebrow, just make it a little bit darker. Here, a couple dabs of that. We're gonna go for the outside in, and you just wanna follow that bone as a guide. One more on the end. I'm using a clean finger to blend everything in. So here comes a challenge. It's gonna be a mascara next, so let's get started. My turn. Let's see how this goes. Now the bottom. Now for a highlighter, we're going to be using the Makeup Freedom palette. I'm just going to use this white eyeshadow right here.
Smile. It should be here, bone.
Okay.
You should feel bone too. And do like this. And after, use this one. Just blend it. And you should feel bone here and here, to your bones. And you put on a bone. A little bit and blend.
My turn now, we're just gonna get some middle finger. I'm just gonna rub it off on the back of the hand. You get this nice color right here. Feel your bone so it like really pops out. Apply on your bone. When you smile, you could feel the bone better, so you're gonna use your clean finger. Now we're just gonna be applying contour. Let's get a clean finger. And I'm just gonna kind of like put it all over your finger. I'm gonna start from the ear, and we're just gonna go down right under that bone where your cheek is. Just gonna put our whole finger right there. Drag it down a little bit, like that. Then we're just gonna kind of blend. Get a little bit more. Finally, we're gonna just apply some lip balm. You don't want to go on a first date with super chapped lips. And then, if you do end up kissing the girl, you don't want like super chapped, disgusting lips. So. That's it.